Yes, hello. You are about to experience a 20-inch box fan called Utilitech. It is a zero point 0.5 amp fan with 3 speeds. Yes, this fan was made out of the United States. I'll give you one guess. It was made in a country that has NA at the last of it. And 3 words in front of that. Go figure that one out. This is a superior fan. This fan can be purchased at Lowe's. And it was manufactured January of 2022. So here we go. I'll put it on the lowest to the highest. Sounds pretty good. Some of the fans that are on the highest ain't that high. Tell you what, it's blowing me over a little bit. I hope it don't throw me down when I go to the third setting, the high setting, and the last setting. Oh, Millie! This thing's about ready to destroy me. But y'all get the picture, don't you? Go get you one. They're worth your money. Under $30. Again, this is the Kentucky Kid speaking. Over and out. Woo-hoo!